Hey, this is Danielle over at DIYDanielle.com, and today I want to show you how to make a quick and easy giant chessboard set. We've got it over here by our horse field. Say hi, Piper. So the kids can play, I can ride, or take care of the horse, or just sit and watch them. So here's the set. Pretty easy to set up. We purchased the pieces all on Amazon. I'll put a link in the next section to show you exactly what we purchased. So let's get to that. Okay, so the first thing we did is we waited for our chess pieces to come in. We ordered these off Amazon, and they unscrew. They are very lightweight right now. So they unscrew so you can put water or sand in the bottom. I recommend doing sand. I feel like water might freeze in cold weather, at least around here, and cause damage to the pieces. I don't know, but you can see they're really light. So if you leave them, the wind will blow them away. We've got quite a bit of wind here. So anyways, you unscrew them and then you can put some sand in. And once the sand is all the way in, you can go ahead and screw the top back.
Getting the sand in for each one of these took a pretty long time. We cut the bottom off a milk jug and used it like a funnel. Make sure everything's dry, and it helped get it in faster. You want to choose a level spot for your chessboard set. That way you don't have to do quite as much work trying to level it off and make the set kind of even so it doesn't get wobbly. Now, we actually did not do anything. We picked a decent spot and we just popped them down there. Once the grass underneath has died, we may go back and add some sand to make it more level. But actually it works pretty well as is, and it should kill off the grass on its own. Okay, just to show you the setup, we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in each direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've got 8 in each direction. You alternate your colored tiles, and you should have a total of a 96-inch square. And all you have to do to finish up is just set up all of your pieces. They should be decently heavy so they don't blow over in the wind and they won't go flying or rolling off. Kind of gives the kids a little weight to pick up, gets them kind of moving around and exercising while they're playing, and gets them outside in the sunshine, which I always appreciate because the kids are obviously inside quite a bit these days with online learning. So yeah. And this is it at night. Really loving it. It looks really pretty in our yard, and it's right in the front when people pull in. So it's kind of built into our landscaping a little bit, even though it's not a really traditional thing to have in your yard. So I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and keep an eye out for other tutorials. Take care. Bye.